Yo, what's going on, everyone? Lamar Adams here. Thought I'd just hop on this Facebook Live real quick because I've been getting a lot of questions. And a lot of people ask me, Lamar, you are a 33-year-old guy, military veteran. What is it that you do that gives you so much excitement about trading Forex? Isn't it difficult? Isn't it hard? Don't you get, frustrated and confused? And I tell them no. I really don't. Because all I'm doing is I'm just applying what I've learned. And many people don't really understand just how powerful and in some cases simplistic it is to trade in the foreign exchange market. I mean, you may get some of these guys, they may come and they may say, you got to do this, that, and the other, and you got to find this, and, all sorts of, there's like almost 20 some odd indicators and almost a billion strategies that most people try to convey, but it's really not that difficult. So what I decided to do is that I want you to see through my eyes. I want you to see through my eyes. And I want you to see what it is that I do. And when I make my decision, I actually set up a demonstration account for you guys, a trading demonstration account, so that you can see full hand just how powerful this thing is. And all you're doing, you're just looking for a few things, which you can learn to do. All you have to do is just be coachable. All right? So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through. This is what I look at. This is called a trading chart. It's just pretty much showing me the price movement of this particular currency pair or countries' currencies that are paired together. All right. So what I do in the morning, let's just say, for instance, I want to see how the euro and the pound are doing. That's the euro for the European Union and the pound for the Great British Pound. So I just look them up based upon what I know and what I've studied. I go and look them up. EUR, GBP. Now again, I am not a whiz. I am not a guru. I am not a wizard. I'm a student. And so I'm showing you through my eyes what I use to make my trading decision, just so you can see that if I can do it, you can do it. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to look at my chart. If I see an area straight like that, based upon what I've learned, that tells me that this is an area that price is not going up any further. So what I do, I put a line right there. That tells me price is not going anywhere. Then, based upon what I've been taught, I go back and I say, has this area been hit a lot? Is this a consistent area? Well, as you can see, this thing went up and down, and hit it. And finally, it hit it one last time, like a roof, and then it came down. So now I ask myself, right now, today, is there another area? Is there another roof that I can use and use it to where I can trade and make some money? Yes. We have this one right here. Find my line. Boom. I'm another line. Boom. Now I ask myself, based upon what I see and know, do I want to buy or do I want to sell? I'm feeling antsy today, so you say, you know what? I'm going to do a short sell. Do a quick little sell. A quick little buy. So I go over here. I find out wherever it was. We're looking at the Euro GBP. Come over here and click it. I say, I want to go for a quick buy. I go in for a quick buy. And I let the market do the business. John's like, okay, let me take a look at another one. Because I said I want to go in on a buy because it's getting ready to go up. And I'll get out when it hits this line right here and it runs smack dab into it. Because then it's going to go in the opposite direction. Now, like I said, I am not a guru. I am not a whiz kid. I am not, someone who's a know-it-all. I'm simply a student applying what I have learned. And I'm showing you guys personally through my eyes. So, this is all a Forex trader really does, ladies and gentlemen. This is all we do. Some people, they do it 2 hours. Some people do it 1 hour. Some people do it 30 minutes. But this is all we do. We take a look at a chart. If it's going in the way that we want, based upon what we studied and what we know, we make a transaction decision. Now, it's really not that difficult. Does it take some due diligence? Yes, it does. Just like any course. But unlike going to college, and this is what I like about studying Forex, unlike going to college, where I have to study and study and study some more, but I'm not getting paid for really anything. Here, with the tools and the knowledge that I get, I can actually take what I've studied, apply it to this chart. If what the chart has matches with what I've been taught, I make money. It's just as simplistic as that. As I said before, I look at this chart based upon what I know. If the price or the blue bar is going up, I buy. And when I buy, I make money. If, let's say, for instance, if I was right here and I saw this red bar, if I saw a whole bunch of red bars and I see it going down, then my mind saying, from what I've been taught, if I see a bunch of red lines going down, I'm supposed to sell. And so I go and I sell. And my education and what I'm seeing matches up. And that's how I make my money. That is all that I do, ladies and gentlemen. You're seeing live what I see every day for maybe 2.5 hours. And this is how I make my money. This is how, ladies and gentlemen, I make my living. And I'm showing you here live. And I'm giving you a play-by-play detailed account of what it is that I do. Or let's say, for instance, I got a tool. We're going to go to this tool real quick. Now, this is what I do every day, ladies and gentlemen. You're seeing what I do. So in case someone asks you, well, what is it that he does that he makes money and he can be able to sit at home? He's not in traffic. He doesn't have a boss. He's at home in t-shirts, shorts, and sneakers. How is it that he's making money? And you can say, well, he showed me on Facebook Live. He goes to his Forex Trading Academy. He applies what he learned. And then if what he learned match with what the charts say, if what the charts show him matches what he's learned, he makes a business transaction and he makes money. He doesn't have to go around pushing a product. He doesn't have to clock in. There's no push for sales. He just matches what he knows from what he's been taught to what the charts say. Simply put. Now let's go check and see. Because remember I said I opened up a demonstration account just for you guys. All right. Look at there. Look at there, ladies and gentlemen. I just opened up this trade right in front of you guys' eyes. Right in front of you guys. Let's just take a look at it again, because I know for some people, seeing is believing. Euro, Great Britain pound, EUR/GBP. I said I wanted to buy it. I went and I bought it. And I took what looks like 10 cents to you guys. I took $1. $1. And now that $1 is working for me right now. You're seeing in this demonstration account that I opened up just for you guys. You're seeing it working right now. That $1, what looks like 10 cents right here, that $1 is now working for me. And all I had to do was apply what I've learned to the chart. If they match, I make money. That's it. That is it. Let me say that again. That is it. You're seeing it live for yourself here, live on Facebook. What it is that I do every morning for about 2 hours. I take what I've known, what I've studied from iMarkets Live. I apply it to the charts. If what I've learned, if the charts match what I've learned, boom, I make a transaction. And as you can see, it's working out for me. That's it. That is it. I don't do nothing else. Now, by my watch, it's 11:05. 12 o'clock, ladies and gentlemen, my trade day is done. My trade day is done. Period. Stick a fork in it. That's it. That is it. But I know seeing is believing. So I still got time. So let's go do another one. Let's go do another one. All right. Again, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to open up this platform and I'm going to say, what trades do I want to go look at? Let's look at, let's see. I know what we'll look at. We'll look at the Euro Aussie. For those of you who don't know, that's the Euro, which is the currency for the European Union, and the Aussie, which is the Australian dollar. I'm going to take a look at it. Exactly, Brenda. I have the rest of the day to myself. Now, I'm going to take a look at this chart. I'm going to say, let me look and see what I've learned. Let me review what I have learned. All right. From what I've learned, I'm seeing if the top of this bar is the bottom, is the new bottom for another bar. And it is. I put a line. Right? This is all from what I've learned from IML Academy and IML TV. This is the culmination. This is how I sit at home and I make my money. I take what I've learned and I apply it. Unlike college, where you have to wait and apply and do everything else and jump through hoops to get paid from using your education. I'm using my education right now. Right now. And I'm applying it. So I'll say, okay, do I see another instances where the top of a blue line is the bottom? Let's see. I go here. Yeah, I see it. So what decision do I decide to make? Do I want to buy now or do I want to sell now? I think I'm going to go in for a buy. So I take my line, bloop, I mark it right there. I zoom in and I see, do I have a blue line coming up? Yeah, I feel comfortable. So I go to my trading platform. As you can see, it's still working. And I say, I want to go to EURAUD. EURAUD. And I'm going to say, I'm going to invest $1. That's what the volume 0.1 represents, $1. Buy. And I'm done. I ain't got to worry about looking at the chart no more. I close out. Leave, say changes. Yes, leave. Boom. Done, ladies and gentlemen. My work day is done. Now I can tend to my laundry. I can read a book. If I want to dive right back into my education, matter of fact, let's do that. Let's dive right back into some education. But before I go there, let me just do a quick poll. Can you see yourself doing this? Type in the chat, yes, no. Can you see yourself doing what I just did every day at home? Whether you're married or whether you're single, whether you have no kids or whether you have 5 kids, whether you're a professional or whether you're just a high school graduate. Type in the comment if you can see yourself doing this. Now, I just showed you a live demonstration of what 1/4 of, no, not even 1/4, less than 1/3 of what my day consists of. This is 1/3 of my day, ladies and gentlemen. 1/3. That's all I do. I look at my trading charts, which is just showing price movement. I ask myself, is what I'm seeing on this chart matching what I have learned? If my good answer is yes, I make the business transaction. If it don't, I don't worry about it. The Forex market is $5.3 trillion a day. I am in no rush. If I make $200, I'm good. If I make $100, I'm good. Why? Because that's just me using my education to make money. And quite essentially, that was what school was supposed to be for. But for me, this is the most streamlined way to do it. Well worth it. So let me show you another money-making tool, because I wanted to show you guys personally what it is that I do. We're going to go to the harmonic scanner. This is another tool. There we go. And again, I'm going to do the exact same thing, the exact same method all over again. I'm going to take what I've known, I'm going to apply it to this tool that you're getting ready to see. If what I've learned and what I see on this tool, if they match, I'm going to make a transaction decision. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's it. This is the harmonic scanner. It's one of the two. This is not a sales pitch. So please do not think it's a sales pitch. I'm just showing you what I do because I get asked that a lot. What is it that I do? So I'm showing you exactly what it is that I do. This is what I do. I drop my kids off. I send my wife off to work. I see my wife off to work. I see my daughter off to high school. I come home. I eat my Fruity Loops or my pastry bar or whatever the case I decide I want to eat for breakfast. Then I come to my study, and this is what I do. So let's take a look at this one. Now, based upon from what I've studied, if I see a blue line or a blue bar touching that green line, it's an indicator to me that this is a good potential sell. So what I'm gonna do, I want you guys to participate. If you see in this on a recording, you can still participate as well. Do you see a blue line touching the green line? Type in the comment section yes or no if you see a blue line touching a green line. Type in the chat yes or no, because I want you to get in on this experience. Do you see a blue line touching a green line? Chances are yes. So, what I do, my answer is yes. What I've learned matches what I see. So now I go make a I go to make a transaction. Let's open it back up again. Forgive the lag, my computer's kind of slow, but it's going to pull up my actual trading platform. While that's processing, let's take a look at another one. Click JFX, scan for 15-minute trades or M15. Let's look at GBP CAD. Ah, it's up. Cool. Now, this trade is already went. No biggie. Let's go to another one. Let's go to GBP USD. That one's gone. And from the looks of it, someone made money off of this tool. Let's pick another one. Perfect. I see, look at this, and I say, it's already done hit that green line. So let's go to my trading platform. CAD JPY, CAD JPY, CAD JPY. It matches what I've learned, meaning it's touching that top line at the top. So let's go and go in for a sell. Taking $1. I go in for a sell. And that's it. You have just taken an exclusive look, ladies and gentlemen, of the, well, I won't even call it work, of the actual routine that someone who's a Forex trader, of what they do. If they ask you, how do you make your money? You just saw a live demonstration. They take what they know and they use the tool that they have at their disposal. And if what they have matches with what they see, they make a business transaction. Now, will all of them be a winner? Probably not. But I can guarantee you a strong 85 to 90% of them will match, just as you saw. So, with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, you just got an exclusive look to what the start of my trading day is. And this is not even when it's really hype. This is the cool down session. This is what I do, ladies and gentlemen, practically every day, Monday through Friday. If you want to learn how to do this too, if you want to get the tools, the mentorship, the knowledge that can help you do this exact same thing, you can get in contact with me and we'll trade together. I love trading with people because it's nothing more exhilarating than putting minds together and learning a skill set that can possibly set you on a path of financial freedom for the rest of your life, both you and your children. All right? My name is Lamar Adams. I appreciate you giving me your attention. Until the next time, ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you at three places: at the beach, at the bank, and at the top. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.